Hey, what's up, gang? Richie here, Six String Fun. We are going to go back into back to the 80s as usual here, it seems like, with some of these lessons. We're going to go to Never Tear Us Apart by INXS. Newer song for me. I'm actually just kind of learned it within the last couple of months because it's in our rotation now for Neon Flannel, which is our acoustic band, me and my buddy Scott, down here in the Charlotte area. So this was his idea, and it's gone over well a couple times we played it. So I want to kind of share how we're doing it acoustically, so you can give it a shot at home. Some simple chords. I would say it's kind of in the key of C, even though we don't really get to the C until the chorus. But A minor 7. I guess it's an F9, adding the ninth, because I'm adding that G right there. A D minor and a full F bar. That could be the tricky one. And then we've got a G thrown in there as well when we actually end up at the chorus. But check it out. It's a very stripped down version of this tune, which I think was from 1987-ish, right around there. I don't remember offhand. But and the rhythm kind of doesn't really change, at least for the intro and the verse. It's kind of be like me. 1, 2, 1. Is it 1? Is it? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And if I throw the chords in there, and I would actually palm mute those. Again, acoustic guitar, if you're doing it solo, anything that you can do that's going to change the dynamics as far as something from this to something like that makes a big difference. So on the intro, you probably want to not palm mute as much. Maybe lightly. Again, an A minor 7. I mean, after the A minor, we're just taking our ring finger over that. So that one string opens up. That's an open string, okay? To an F, adding the ninth. And that G note there is key, so you want to get that in there. Okay? To the D minor. To an F. We get into the verse, we're going to palm mute a little bit more now. A little more emphasis on the palm muting. So I think the way this actually breaks down is the inch, and we've kind of made some adjustments here just to kind of make it a little bit longer, but I believe you're going to come in on that rhythm pattern one time. The verse kicks in, and you're going to play that rhythm pattern one time only, and you're going to go to the chorus, okay? So you've got a C to an F. And I would keep that strumming. Play that a total of that C to F 4 times. I was staying. Right. And then you're going to come to that G chord to close it out. Never tear something. They can never. Now, when you hit that G, every time you come out of that chorus, you're going to go. Well, what we've done is we go into that. Listen to the timing on all that, because sometimes you'll hold that G chord a little bit longer. There's a hesitation. And that will go back into the second chorus. We can live, I think that's what it is, for 1,000 years. I think that's what the chorus, or the verse is there. But just listen to it. That's kind of how we're doing it. I don't really pay a whole lot of attention to the exact lyrics. I just got to know my cues because I'm still working on some certain parts of the backing vocals there. But that's how most of the song would go. That fill. Open 5, 3rd fret on 5. Open 4, and I go to an A minor chord. Back to the verse. And that's going to repeat for the second chorus. We go back out into the F to the C, or the C to the F. 4 times, and then on that G. Listen to this now on the recording because it's gonna. The timing changes up as far as coming to that G, the end of the lyrics, and the hesitation, which is going to change. Okay, and I think there's a change to that fill. It's modified a little bit. You'll hear it. What we do is we just keep it. So there's a variation to it, but we don't do that. But you'll hear it. So if you want to give it a shot, go for it. It goes into the solo, which is again just like the verse. So A7 or the A7 minor or just an A minor. And I play the full F to the D minor to the F, and it comes right back out to the outro, which is just a chorus. We tend to double up that solo, so you're playing that rhythm pattern twice just to give it some life. If I want to kind of just noodle, just something different, kind of just hanging out in that key of C/A minor bit. So we've got that, and then you just ride out that whole that C to F as many times as you like. There is no G chord in there, at least in that particular point. So you figure out how you want to end it. I think what we've done is right over and over, and we'll go back to the G. We will do it, but in the record, it just kind of excuse me, it just kind of fades out. I think playing those 2 chords, and we come back to that A minor, and I think just to kind of end it there. So if you're doing this solo or a duo, acoustic, it's a cool one to throw in there. So give it a shot. I think you can do it. It's fun. Again, check out Neon Flannel. That's our band down here in the Charlotte area. Neon Flannel. It's Instagram right now. It's all I have is Neon Flannel Band. So if you look us up, you'll find us there. If you're looking to hire a band in the Charlotte area, I know one. So we will see you on the next video. Check it out. Check out some of the shorts I've done recently. A lot of what would you do? Could you go back in time scenarios? It's already got some people riled up with some of the things I'm bringing up, but it's fun. So check them out. I'll see you guys soon. Later.